I'm Ruth Graham. I'm an assistant professor at the University of Nottingham and a tutor and coordinator on the PGCEi. Here at the University of Nottingham, you can experience the course and the tutors, meet each other and get to grips with what's to come in our face-to-face workshops. So the course design is hybrid. And that means that you get to meet your colleagues, make connections, and get confident with distance learning and what that entails while you're in the comfort of the learning settings we're perhaps more used to with others and in group work. We get to work as a whole group and in smaller groups. There's discussion and there's a chance to engage with the course materials in a setting that involves the support of others. You're part of a whole university community, and being part of such a big Russell Group university does mean great things for the reputation of the qualification you're getting, but it also means that you're supported by our library services, our wellbeing services, our Seeley colleagues, the Centre for English Learning Education, and they all offer you the opportunity to get support with things as and when you need it. But most of all, you've got a lot of support from your tutors and your colleagues along the way in this integrated hybrid course design, as well as the workshops which allow you to work in groups on the course themes. There are also webinars along the way where we meet online for each of the modules to discuss the expectations and what's to come and to help you along that way. So hopefully we're offering you here the tools and the support for your success at master's level study at a Russell Group University for a really important qualification. Thank you.